Who's that girl? La 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 la. Who's that girl? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wait at it anyway.
Let's get started.
Hey guys, it's your girl Lizzy Lozzo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my niece here with me.
Hello guys.
Hey, Caris, Cecilia Hansen. It's her first time in Sierra Leone, so I've just decided to do an interview with her to see how she feels about Sierra Leone. So basically, our experience all together, and we're going to talk about today. Caris, do you want to say anything before we start? Do you want to say hello to the viewers?
Hello everyone, welcome to Lizzy Lozzo. And so I'm from London and I'm also from Sierra Leone, but my mum is American. And I've been wanting to come to Sierra Leone for quite a long time now, and so this is my first time, and I'm super pleased to have come and seen this wonderful paradise. Named after my great honourable Cecil Hansen.
So Caris was named after my dad, her granddad. My dad's name is Cecil, so Caris was named Cecilia. And she looks so much like granddad as well, and they have like similar characteristics. Caris is a strong, powerful, very outspoken girl. So she's taken after her granddad, definitely, and I'm proud of that, right? Representing. Yes, so with no further ado,
let's get
started. Drum roll. Okay, so Caris, what's your first impression about Sierra Leone?
So basically, the first time I come, bearing in mind guys, I'm used to eating London food, and snacks and stuff, and I'm quite a hungry person. So the first day we came, we got on our airplane, which by the way, I don't like airplanes, and then we got on the ferry, which I don't like boats, guys, so it was a struggle. The waves were crashing, we were banging everywhere, and I was scared, oh Lord, for my life, but it was okay, guys. We made it. Then I came here. There's a big hill to get to this wonderful house, and so we had to get up the hill. The car stalled, so we had to get out the car and walk up the hill in the dark with the dogs barking at these new people, coming to see these new fresh people coming up this hill. Anyway, so we came in, and I think the first day, was it a power cut?
Was it a power cut the first time? I can't remember.
Well, some of the days were power cut, so I had to get used to it.
Okay, Elia Grace is here, so Elia Grace, do you want to come say hello? Come say hello to the people. Elia Grace, this is my niece, and this is Caris's little sister, aka big sister, madam of the house. She bosses everyone around.
Yes.
Yeah. Elia Grace, do you want to say hello?
Talk to the camera.
Hi. Yeah. So what was your first impression about Sierra Leone as well? Did you like it or did you not like it?
I liked it.
You like it? So what do you like about Sierra Leone?
I like about we see our family members and we come to say hello to new people and people that we know, our uncles, our aunties,
Okay, that's
so you
lovely.
like the family aspect.
You like the family aspect about it? Yeah. Do you like it when you go to restaurants, when you go to the beach? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do they have a good variety, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite restaurant so far? Basha, Crown Express,
Jiggly Bunta,
the ice cream place.
I like the Jiggly Bunta more.
Oh, you like Jiggly Bunta more? Same, Jiggly Bunta is my favorite actually.
Same.
Yeah.
We find all the good gems on the last few days, so now we're gonna go back with craving these wonderful foods. And I didn't even realize how much option they have here, so it's really, really good.
Yeah.
And obviously, I did see some tourists. And
lots of tourists in Sierra Leone, right? Was you
Yeah.
expecting to come to Sierra Leone and see lots of people in Sierra Leone, people from different parts of the world? Was you expecting that, or was you just expecting to see people from Sierra Leone, black people?
Well, there's obviously more of a more range of Sierra Leoneans, but I did, when you go near the beach area, normally that kind of surrounding, you see more of a wide range of people, and obviously people that just have come to start their life here. But I was expecting to see like maybe one family, but I've seen lots, plenty in our favorite, my top 5 places I like to eat. And starting with Gigi Bonta, Crown, Basha. Basha has the best fried rice, guys.
Yeah.
So if you're coming to Sierra Leone, try it out. And the other one is Oba.
Oba.
Yes,
Yeah, Oba is nice.
nice.
And you tried, is it Papa Bakes as well?
Yes, and oh yes.
Is it Papa Bakes?
Pa Sweet.
Papa Sweets, Papa Sweets.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Crown has the best banana bread.
Yeah.
And yesterday we went to Sky Lounge, Sky Bar.
Sky Bar.
And they had lots of different trampolines, so I was doing my flips, practicing, and yeah.
Yeah. Do you like the kids' playground?
Yeah, they actually have a really, actually they do have playgrounds here, which is really good. And some of the beaches, the beach resorts, they have playgrounds too. We went to Radisson Blue
as well.
and it was also very good. They have a swimming pool there.
Yeah.
There's a lot more swimming pools here than I thought there was going to be. And we went to the television place, AYV.
Yeah.
And they even had an exclusive swimming pool, which is nice.
Pool,
So yeah.
So even the media center,
Yes.
AYV is the biggest media platform television station in Sierra Leone, and they had to go there during my dad's funeral arrangement, and they got the opportunity to tour around AYV.
Yes.
So Carrie saw a swimming pool exclusive,
And all their different filming rooms, like the football one, the cooking one, music one, everything. It's
the
really good.
newsroom.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Eligris, do you mind putting your hands down so that they can see my face as well? Yeah. So it's morning time. It's maybe I believe it's 11 a.m. So we're just outside, and
in the beautiful sun.
Beautiful sun. This is the backdrop. So in Sierra Leone, they hand wash clothes most of the time, and they hang it on the rope,
which is even more effective.
Yeah,
than
which is more
putting it in a washing
effective.
machine.
You know, it cleans the clothes
properly.
better, and it makes
more
them
care.
more care, makes
Yes.
it last longer. So here we've got this orange, bright orange. You know, it's serving as a backdrop, so it's not bad, is it?
No.
We like it.
We love it.
We love it. So, Caris, what's your favorite thing about Sierra Leone so far?
So there's lots of different things I love about Sierra Leone, like the weather and things is I like seeing my family members that are here, and I like the beaches a lot, and the atmosphere of the dance, like just everyone plays music and stuff. It's really good.
Yeah.
The attitude, the vibes.
The vibes.
Yes.
People have got a great vibe.
Yes.
Happy, good energy.
And I like that people beep a lot here.
Huh?
I like that people beep.
Beep a lot, yeah.
In
So
the
when they're
cars.
driving, yeah. Because in the UK, you're not allowed to beep just like that, you know.
You will get fined.
You get fined. So
But here it's more free.
it's free, yeah. People have got more freedom of living. It's so beautiful. I think I love that about Sierra Leone as well. So what's your favorite Sierra Leonean dish?
Or potato leaf, is that what they're called?
Yeah,
Or cream.
cream.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Or I just like plantain.
Okay.
Or it's not called puff here. That's from Nigeria. What's it called?
Puff.
Puff.
Oh, no, yeah, you don't like puff.
No, I like it. The cake.
No, that donut cake. You like donut?
Yes.
Okay, so you like donut.
Because
Okay.
it's sweet.
Yes.
Like it tastes
No,
like
donuts.
banana.
You like donut. Cane driver. Caris haven't tried cane driver yet.
Putting at that.
Cane driver is like shortbread biscuit.
Oh, it sounds delicious, guys.
It's nice. It's nice, yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. But Caris hasn't tried that yet. Okay, so what's your favorite place in Sierra Leone?
My favorite place, except for my house here,
Yeah.
I like.
So you love your house in Sierra
Yes,
Leone.
it's
Why
beautiful.
do you like your house in Sierra Leone?
There's so much more space here. Like
Yeah.
if like one day Auntie Liza will show you. I call her my Auntie Liza here. But if you go up the top of this hill, there's more rocks. It's away from everyone, and there's so much space there.
Yeah.
You could just sit there for like a whole hour, and it's just relaxing. This house is big. In London, the flats and houses there, they're all just squished. Here, there's just so much more space.
Yeah.
And except from the house, I actually really like Gigi Banta. Or I like
Gigi Banta is such a great vibe.
Yes.
So what's your favorite beach in Sierra Leone?
So my favorite beach is beach number 2, and it's a bit of a drive away, but it's not too far from our house, and I really love it because you can go in the water there. The water is clear, they have good music and nice seating. The sand is also very beautiful and lovely. I do like normally beach just for a walk by, but I don't really go in the water there. I only use it to dig. So yeah.
Yeah, true. I like Lumley Beach for going past as well, and morning
eat.
runs and to eat. Yeah, because they have so much variety of restaurants, entertainment centers to go to. Hello, how are you? Okay, so what's your favorite food? It can be snack, it can be actual food. So what is it?
In Sierra Leone?
Yeah, in Sierra Leone, yeah.
Well, there's not really like I don't know, here they do really good potato chips and plantain chips.
Yeah.
Have you tried them? The spicy ones?
Yeah, the spicy ones I've
from
tried
all
it.
those supermarkets, Freetown Mall,
Yeah.
all these places, and the Crown do them as well. My favorite place to go to get them.
Oh, yeah.
They're so delicious. I really like when they do them. So that's my favorite. Potato chips and plantain spicy chips.
Okay. So also, what's your favorite restaurants? What's your favorite restaurants in Sierra Leone?
Gigi Banta.
Gigi
Their
Banta.
pizza is just, it's so good.
Super.
Literally delicious.
I agree with you.
I could eat 2 pizzas and I wouldn't even feel full up.
Yeah, I agree with you on that one.
And the ice cream.
And
wow.
the ice cream is so
They
delicious.
know how to make ice cream,
Yeah.
guys.
Gelato.
Yes, gelato.
Gelato.
Pistachio. Oh, Oreo. Oh my gosh, guys. They had the whole thing.
So yummy.
Try it out, okay? Let me know in the description below, the comments below,
Yeah.
if you guys have tried it out, because it is just excellent.
Excellent. So what's your favorite thing about your house in Sierra Leone?
The verandas are nice because you can just go on the veranda. I usually go on it all day when we're not outside. I just sit on it. I can go in the verandas here are huge, so I can go to different parts of the veranda, just look down and sit and listen to my music in my head. Definitely.
Yeah,
There's loads of land.
Yeah,
Up,
lots
up,
of
up,
land, and just look
and down,
down.
and everywhere. It's so
Everywhere.
many rooms.
Yeah.
Is there like
5 or 6
rooms?
bedroom. Yeah, I think it's 6 bedroom.
Yes, and then like 5 bathrooms.
5 bathrooms.
And they're extending more and
Yeah,
more and
more
more.
and more and
So,
more.
Yeah. Next time I come, guys, wow. This place is going to be huge, like a palace.
Like a palace.
Now it's a mansion. It's going to be
Yeah,
a palace,
it's gonna
guys.
be
And yeah.
So would you come to Sierra Leone again after your first experience?
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
I want to live here. This is going to be my house for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
I don't even want to go home, guys. I'm going to hide and stay here.
I
because
know. When Caris is older,
gonna buy
when
a
she
house.
finish university, she's going to come to live in Sierra Leone with me because I'm currently living in Sierra Leone with Joel. So I just want her to finish her studies so that when she comes to Sierra Leone, she can be able to get a good job and she will be much more matured by then. So that's what we're waiting for. But for now, Caris is going to leave Sierra Leone and she's going to go back to London. She's going to be in the cold until summertime.
guys,
But
London
look, she looks
is
so tanned
freezing.
now. She looks so tanned. Tan.
guys.
Caris was going to the beach.
Yes.
Like Caris lived her
I
best
lived my
life
life,
in
guys.
Sierra Leone.
And now I'm
Oh,
going to go back
God.
to the damp, cold, wet, rainy weather in this London place.
Like yesterday, I was asking Caris, "Are you looking forward to going back to London?" And then she's like, "I'm contemplating." And I was like, "Ooh, someone feels the same way I feel when it's time to go back to London. I'm contemplating."
Yeah. When everyone comes and sees Africa, they see how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So basically, they don't really showcase Africa. So normally people have this different perception of Africa.
Not
but-
stereotypes. It's,
Yeah.
You just think certain things, but it's not actually true. So
Yeah.
like you need to come and see for yourself. before you guys can come and talk. So,
Exactly.
yeah.
Don't make judgments
Yes.
about Africa,
Exactly.
and especially Sierra Leone. If you haven't
Come and see it for yourself.
yeah,
So,
you need to come to see for yourself.
Yes.
And the thing is that when you come, you wouldn't want to leave. Sierra Leone is a paradise,
Yes, it's
right?
beautiful.
It's
The
beautiful.
beaches, everything. Oh my gosh.
And it's got so much variety of stuff. Like you can go to the beach 1 minute, you can go climb the hills,
Hike.
you hike,
Just relax.
Just relax.
Everyone here is so relaxed.
Yeah.
Then when you go to London, everyone's rushing,
Rushing.
scared about everything. And here, no one cares.
No one cares.
It's just-
we live in life, and I think that's what I love about Sierra Leone as well. People live. We don't just live to pay the bills. We actually enjoying life, and I think this is what life is about. Life is for living.
Enjoyment.
And what's the point? Enjoyment.
Yes.
And you know, I think Nigerians says enjoyment with a H instead of enjoyment. Enjoyment. So, famble down a duo.
Famadu like Christian.
Caris has
Guys,
learned,
I'm trying to learn Creole properly.
Yeah. but she's doing really
but,
good
yeah.
because she can
I
understand
can
almost
hear it.
everything.
I can hear it, guys, but
Yeah. Now
we
for
talk
Taka,
Creole small, so
small. So, what are the new words you've learned so far? Being in Sierra
I
Leone?
learned about Congo Sa,
Yeah.
Boko Talk,
Yeah.
and how to fight for myself.
Yeah.
So I say, did you watch me? Okay. And then, yes, you want to fetch me? I go beat you, standing at your house. And the word I learned is shameless thing. Shame on you.
Shame on you if you don't subscribe to my channel.
Yes, shame on you.
Shame
What are
on
you guys
you.
waiting for? Subscribe, like, and comment.
Comment. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope I've left you better than before.
Yes.
Please comment, like, and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Who's that
Girl, la 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 la. Who's that girl? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.